my fam. Your trainer Rashika is here to tell you something really important. Well, today we are tackling a language twist that can make you either a language ninja or सीखोगे तो बन जाओगे वरना नहीं बनोगे. Simple. We are talking about other and another. You know those words that sound a bit too similar, like long lost twins separated at birth? Don't worry, we are here to solve this mystery. Alright, let's break it down. Other is your go-to buddy when you want different or more options. Think of it like a buffet. You have got one plate, but there are so many other dishes calling your name. Or you can imagine that if you are somewhere at an ice cream parlor and आपने already vanilla pick कर लिया है, but your taste buds they are screaming for more options, strawberry, chocolate and more other options. Then what? Obviously then other comes. Now another. It's like saying one more of the same please. You're enjoying a yummy apple, right? And you want another apple like with same juicy goodness. So आप एक एप्पल खा रहे हो, आपको एक और एप्पल ही चाहिए. So what you are having right now or what you have right now, you want other same. So that's where another comes. Or you are savoring a fantastic pizza slice and you say, I want another slice. एक पिज़्ज़ा आप खा रहे हो and you want another slice. Yep, it's all about more of the same tasty goodness. Summing it up, other means different or more options. While another, it means more of the same. Now let's have some fun. Finish this sentence. I have one favorite coffee mug and I want to buy dash coffee mug. Is it other or another? Come on, type your answer in the comments below. And there you have it, the tale of other and another. Two words that may be long lost twins but with entirely different lives. These language nuances can be a game changer in your daily chit chat. So remember, when you are seeking variety, go for other, and when it's one more of the same, say another. Keep having fun with words, my language loving friend.